The moment you attach the observation with a judgment, a reaction, or an intention, what happens is that your intention, your belief, your reaction, and your emotion, all of these actually creates a movement of energy. Now that energy which was created by all of these, that energy will go into the universe, and the law of universe says that obviously whatever you throw into the universe has to return. So this energy actually created a ripple effect in the universe, and obviously that has to return, and this return is actually called karma. So the formula is very simple. Judgment created reaction in you, reaction created energy, and that energy will create karma. So that is why we say that observing an experience without any reaction, without any intention, and just observing it from a distance actually breaks this ripple effect which you created with a reaction. But there is also another state, and that state is called the state of pure observation. Now, whatever happened with you, what you do is that you see the situation, you notice what is happening with you, but you do not label it and you didn't emotionally cling to it. So this is called witness consciousness. In this state, what happens is that your mind becomes silent, your heart becomes neutral, and there is no new intention which is created. So automatically when these things happen, there is no reaction, there will be no ripple effect in the universe, and automatically those things will be dissolved. So again what happens is that if there is no judgment, there will be no reaction, there will be no energy, and there will be no karma. That is how you actually finish, or you actually break the loop of karma. So obviously when awareness rises, when your consciousness rises, you understand why things are happening with you, and you automatically accept those. You don't resist, you don't judge it, you don't push it away, you don't cling on to it. You just accept it and you act as if you are observing it from a distance. So automatically things starts dissolving, you start breaking, and you stop creating karmic loops. So be the observer, let the life unfold, and stop creating new cycles for you. That is why we say that every happening does not need your reaction. Okay, and pure observation is in non-doing, and non-doing is non-creation of your karma.